In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut and sew this beautiful maxi gathered dress, and also the fabric requirement. You have to know how much fabric you need, or else your dress will not come out as beautiful as this. And also you have to note that usually this gypsy dress is just an attachment of the bodice and the skirt. So first you have to draft the top part, which is the bodice block, then you work on the skirt part. So let me show you how to work on the skirt part for fabric requirement. So for the first layer where the arrow is pointing, you have to get your waist circumference of the bodice block multiplied by 1.5. So 1.5 is a standard measurement. If you want to be more dramatic, you can even multiply it by 3, but the standard measurement is 1.5. Then in order to calculate the fabric requirement for the next one, you have to get the amount you found for the first one, further multiply it by 1.5. So if your first layer of fabric gave you 4.5, you're going to multiply, gave you 45, sorry, you're going to multiply that 45 by 1.5 for standard, or if you want to be more dramatic, you can further multiply it by 3. You do the same for the first one, for the third one as well, then you're going to make gathers. Then after making your gathers, as you can see, the first gather is going to attach to the bodice part, and the second and third will attach next to each other. And that's how you easily make your gypsy gathered dress.